Okay. Have you do you feel like stuck and unsure how to make extra cash? The truth is, you already have everything you need. And what I mean by that is your own skills and experiences, but the problem is how do you turn them into real income? Now, I'm making this because I'm a licensed real estate broker and looking at a sheet, I was looking at the characteristics of home buyers. And now look at this sheet right here. This really got my attention of the characteristics, and the gap in between is usually the problem is the down payments, and as you see, uh, I'm an African American male, so I'm gonna speak on just coming from that one. I done bought houses. I've been in real estate a long time, so to see this huge gap in there and to read and find out that the problem was the down payment. It's not just the down payments. I think a lot of it is based upon not making enough income. So with that, we got jobs, but then you have to get some kind of entrepreneurial side hustle to help you be able to do that. But then we see all of these opportunities that come out, and what it do, it takes you totally out of your zone of doing something or recruiting people that you just, you get uncomfortable doing that. But as I made this worksheet to help you understand how to use your own skills, just the same thing as I did when I was working my job. I tapped into my skills, so I figured I would make a worksheet and walk you through it. So if you're interested in receiving your own copy, just email me with the information below, and I'll email this out to you to help you learn to use this template to tap into your skills. Uh, but like now, let's go through this together. What if I told you the skills you already have could be the key to your financial freedom? And that's true. I mean, it's problems that you done solve for yourself or some place you done worked and got skills where you can monetize those skills to provide it as a service to somebody else. And this worksheet will help you uncover your unique strengths and turn your problem solving abilities into opportunities and start building income you need to achieve your goals. And that can help increase your income or you giving yourself a raise, because if your job not going to give you the raise, this is how you give yourself a raise and tap into uh, those skills that you have and possibly start your own business with something you already know, so that you don't have to feel like you have to go get some product that doesn't relate to your skills and start recruiting people, which a lot of people get uncomfortable with that. But I learned a lot from even those opportunities. But step one would be recognizing your everyday wins. And think about this: what is the little things you do every day that others might struggle with? That means something that you have experience of making easy that's still hard for somebody else could be something where you might be sitting on a gold mine and not even realizing it. So you would get this sheet right here, and you would go down and write examples for each category below. Like at work, are you the person that people rely on to organize, plan, or solve problems? And then in this line, you would fill out, your example. There's a general example in there. I always handle team meetings and resolve so scheduled meetings. So like mine was, I designed efficient workflows that simplify complex relocation needs for families and professionals. So if somebody is thinking about moving, I handle making the workflows and making that easy for them, because that was from one of my experience when I moved from Wisconsin to South Carolina. I learned those skills from and I turned it into a service. So if you're moving, that's where I step in and handle all of the communication for all of the people involved. The movers. If you're selling the house, I got the realtor team together because I handle that as a real estate agent. If you're shipping your car, I'll handle all of that communication by sending them the right communication for them to respond and know that we're dealing with the right people for your relocation needs. um, at home, are you the go-to for budgeting, uh, caregiving, or keeping things running? I got my answers on the side right here. I already went through this sheet. um, at home, I make content strategies and CRM systems at home, because as you see, I'm in my home office. So, and my wife, she is a real estate agent, so I make workflows and handle CRM management for both of us, which makes the marketing easy. And then helping others. What do friends or family ask you for? Like me, they call me Rove. Like they'll call me and they'll run their issues to me, and I'll think of it, and I would help them with a solution by brainstorming through the situation with them. I mean, my dad even called me faith giver because You got to have some type of faith and or vision to see like, all right, how am I going to solve this? What I have to do? Of course, there's going to be things in the way, but what is all of the things I need to do to get there? So we'll go over that and put that together, and then that's where you execute, to go ahead and get that done. But then now we'll go through these just help you get an understanding of your skills because this is about you, not about me. So, like, what is your hidden superpowers? Problems you have solved already. Ask yourself, what challenges have I faced and conquered? Could someone else be struggling with the same thing? This is how you start tapping into those skills or those experiences that you already had to be able to monetize those. So list one of the problems you solved recently. If you shoot me your email, I'll email you this template. And I made about this is a series of 13. This is the first one. And we just gonna keep building upon each one. And about time we get to the end, you'll be running a well-oiled machine monetizing your skills. Okay. So so like, what was the challenge? You would fill in your answer. What did you do to fix it? You would fill in your answer. Okay. How could this help someone else? And as you see the example, I could create a step-by-step budgeting guide. And this is all coming from your experiences. But as you answer these questions, then you start to see it come together. So that's why I made this video to let you know that in order to get those down payments that I see that's a problem, I have no problem at all of making videos like this to help you unlock where that hidden down payment or increase in cash is already with you, but somebody just didn't take the time out to help you understand how to monetize your own experience. Okay. Step 3, transferable skills, your hidden gold mine. What skills do you already have that can work in almost any situation? Just answering these questions help you get a vision of you having a business that you didn't know you had already. Pick your top 3 transferable skills from this list or add your own. 1, leadership. Are you the one who takes charge when others hesitate? Creativity. Do you come up with innovative ways to solve problems? Communication. Are you great at explaining things clearly? Organization. Do you keep everything and everyone on track? Problem solving. Can you handle these solutions others miss? Highlight these skills. Pick the 3 of them. You'll use them to shape your side hustle idea. So this is what we're doing is going to work from this worksheet all the way up to the other worksheets to figure out what is your side hustle that you can use to generate more income that'll help you get your down payment to be able to get that new home you have so that we eliminate that huge gap with them clearly identifying that the differences is not just the race, the differences is entrepreneurship. Far as the jobs, they're paying them, according to USA Today, the median income is $60,000. That's not enough to buy a 300 some $1,000 house with the median being 300 some $1,000. So now we get to step 4. Passion plus skills equals profit. Okay, what does that mean? The secret of a successful side hustle is finding what you love to do and matching it with what people need. Look at that. That's the perfect solution for something that you would just do outside of your regular job is turning your passion plus your skills into a profit. So answer these questions. What makes you lose track of time? Okay. So you think about that. Like it's something you're doing where you didn't know you was doing it that long. You get what I'm saying? And I wrote mine down somewhere. Let me see where that is. Like mine, without a doubt, I love fixing workflows. I love helping people with their problems. But there you go. When they wrote down because I make sure I go through everything and it weighed it out for me because I use ChatGPT to help me focus and get right exactly to the target of the best things that I might not be, able to look at because I just get to moving. So I use it for structure, and it said that mine is creating detailed business plans, workflows, and content strategies. So again, I'm making this video now and I got to live right after this. So right now I'm not looking at the time. I don't know if I'm on time, off time or not. But then now let's go ahead and make this back again about you. Too. What have you done recently that made you feel proud? Right? Okay. What what's one thing people always thank you for? Now you just fill these in, make it about you. When you fill in these answers to yourself, you are putting your blueprint together to figure out what is your skill that you can monetize. Okay. All right. Now, step 5. You turn your skills into actionable opportunities. So you done went through all of these steps, and now we're down to 5. Now you fill in these blanks. What is your skill? Now you done went through, you got your answers from the top. What is your skill? You're gonna put that answer there. Who needs help with this? That's your customer, right? How can I offer this to them? That's your value proposition to them to know that you can help them. This is how you start your business and give your business some wings to be able to start flying. It's skills you already have. You don't have to sign up and recruit or do all this other stuff, but you do have to understand, like, what do you have to offer that you can monetize, that you love to do. Okay. So take the first step towards your new income off the skills that you already have. You don't got to start big. The most important thing is to start. So even if you answer those questions, you are on the way to see new income. Okay. Here's how: choose one skill from your list and that you feel confident about. See, this is you working with yourself, telling yourself, this is what I like to do. Okay. Write down one small way you could use it to help someone this week. So we get started now. Who can you help do this week? All right. Reach out to a friend or post about your idea on social media. Just test it out. Like right now, if you're not, just don't put no expectation in it, because a lot of your clients, once you really get going, is going to be from people that you don't know, because there's only so much the people that know us and love us can do. You can't just keep making them the customer every time. So you do get comfortable about for providing this service to strangers too, just as well. But just put it out there and see how somebody responds to it. And understand this: your skills are valuable and they can change your life. Let's turn them into income opportunities and a brighter future. Now, this is the final thought of this. Your dream of home ownership is not out of reach. The problem is we have to figure out how to use our skills and monetize them so that we raise our own income without depending on the job to give us that raise that we need to be able to afford these new home prices. Okay. So hopefully this video helps you out. Subscribe if you have not, to be able to get the next worksheet that I go over. All right. So again, my name is Bobby Terry. Thank you for watching this video.